eti heba bunyina akwa ba bie back to Adom TV bedwam djubedie enso na meka say bacho instruma baso eti we are looking for the next instruma icon say nyina say wo apese odi ohima ade no yes say should be between the ages of 7 and 14 o ene ye de atonyom obetimi atonyom eno betimi atonyi de mpacho instruma audition no start train no Erlande Accra de Accra Plaza on 11th and 12th October.
So where PM.
Kumasen so ebeshia e True Vine Hotel on 18th and 19th October. Accra ebeshia e Mikado Conference Center on the 25th and 26th. But what you would na betimi remudia register nebra nebe show also talent yeah owo Adom TV say wo as you oye.
Agbesi me catch you say over here LPM when we tie
agbesi the money can the money can according to Miss Abigail Frimpong, a tomato seller of 10 years, they were struggling due to the lack of consistency in the prices of tomatoes. We are struggling because consumers are complaining every day. When prices rise, people buy less. And sometimes the goods spoil before I can sell it. Now, let's say one consumer, Mrs. Judith Shankwasi, a mother of 4, said the same money she spent 2 months ago now buys less than half of her family needs. This is the situation on the ground.
Okay.
You can't say,
what's it, Mrs. Jane?
Mrs. Kwasi.
Thank you.
On
the mother of 4, yes, sir.
Yes.
See me back. Me, Agbesinuchu. Okay. A father of 4. Me call June. Me call Bubushi. Me call Kadiye. Me say, me call Petwe.
Okay.
One of my youth activists, Kwame Kanchen and say, a friend of Wilberforce.
Okay.
On of that environment, on Pekka, non for 2 crate more embreme. Then for Coche, Minyonko.
From Petwe.
Petwe.
Okay.
Yeah, honorable member for Agogo.
Yeah, Agogo, yeah.
Yes. President Mama said a crate is even going for 500 Ghana cedis. President Mama directly said, buffer stock for Mko Thomas before. Me wanna. Yeah. Me and Miss Sumia consumer from Agbesinu to Mukwago. Father of 4. Me bisa ma say I didn't am ko talk peto because no F4 ho. And I catch say me bisa papa no I driver no dey buy.
No dey man buy.
Buy say I didn't am omudi man at that high price.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Okay.
So at the end of the day, the market price determination is being done by either the end seller or the link person who I will call the retailer.
The one between farmers and only
that time because linkage so we are call link baby. Me say who last 2 years now Ghanaian times now more price here.
Ghanaian one price me.
On price a little paper. Na
oh, they say Ghanaian.
Me say last 2 years.
Oh, some person who number.
No. They have also increased their price.
Okay.
What I say, who saw the school fees here?
I think who can be.
And then one school fees. I am saying no. You said no a quick one. Every time there's a time I saw with the quick one. Last year, a crate of tomatoes. You see, I don't speak just like that.
Okay.
A crate of tomatoes, one crate. Now call between 6,000 to 8,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, I go call anybody.
That's not true.
Oh, but I go there.
That's not true.
You said Mrs. Kwashi be a mother of 4. Mrs. Agbesinu to a father of 4. Maybe call Jom. I know Agbogbo, she can't afford it. She meaning maybe I told friends cabbage.
Yeah.
Meaning maybe I told pineapple.
Okay.
And I know all the angles. I used to go there with my wife. Now she have taught me how to buy, and I know how to buy. Okay. And at the end of the day, when I'm not comfortable, I ask more questions. Who won't go? Me na me go. And I'll see this is question mother of 4. Mr.
I need back come here.
Yes.
Me ye coastal.
We are coastal.
Yes.
No mind.
Oh, Medina market.
Okay.
And your man looks as if say a free outside the country eban. Dollar isha say eba form no. Nebu aba form. By a local produce. Nebu that source.
You see, it has not been only in terms of items we consume. Most of the things we produce here, no,
that is.
I would not speak to that, but because you see, na say me too kwan na uko nyoma omuton ho I want the same thing rep ha no
yeah
cheaper ho
I had yeah
you always want to make huge profit it's not gbogboshi ma me ka che me say me sa papa na ogina ho
no dey man buy
odin na fi petu e buy say that na 800 ho obedu omuton at that price because at the end of the day no or the mama me so on ton also the profit better so yes sir it's me the final consumer no I have to bear the burden but it is good. You see, 6,000 and 1,006, I will go for 1,006. Because just last year, the same time. No, but the point is that you don't go to the market. Me not be called you, and you say you are challenging.
And
as for MPP,
what's last year? Last year,
the same
tomatoes,
say 6,000 to 8,000
at a voter region.
At Boglosi.
Okay.
At Boglosi.
That's not great.
A great. You can place a call right now. Me call to now say. She said me got top. I just want to ask for the price, but I just bought a handful.
Okay.
1,002, but and almost 1,006. It depends on where you buy it. But on authority, I'm telling you, sir. At the same time last year it was 6,000 to 8,000 Ghana cedis. Of tomatoes. Exactly so. Exactly so said by me, because I have been a witness. It's not theory, practical. They are all kind of theory.
Oh, na go nyima me.
Me see there be the honorable can theory. The one chairman no kind. There be so who can. I don't know who to know. Who can? Me na me could give me this cafe go to time for talk. So I understand the scenario more than you. I was what you say because as a kid that we simplify our lives. We got jump for talk. We thought Simon, we thought friends and tuna. We thought baby who did a who talk. And the chairman say what am. Do you know what to market? Yes, don't call any association person. Association person, the fact is about
one year friend.
Fẹ́ ọmọ ọmọ tán dé no ọdún kan. Ọmọ be number. Me get no porter number. Me porter no, no porter no get no afaka na yeko. That's why there. You see the point I'm making is that Ghana have been blessed under the able leadership of President Dramani Mahama. He show no talk getting back. Yeah, omo I agree say monetary wise no.
Okay.
Currently, maybe a Nasi can. No, let's say president should have. Maybe I could come in the papa that say because I dare be 2 years. Na a bon can. After the didn't sue. I couldn't be 2 years. No, bon can. After the pension, Ghana serious funds you. I did proper quite. And the after a sentinel.
Economy na na for the job.
Oh, na ba nya be pay job. Kwasi. Mukasa ya hwedu yo. Woni kukuru fort na sia. Hwe wochi.
Okay.
Hwe woni fa na hwe obenkum. Wochi de onu akasa otumi hu na chi. Wodi ase. Ba nya be ka che me ne wo se. Yen fa omo bo ne nche bo ne men.
Okay.
No to cement. And out of block.
Okay.
What's in your man call yi? And na gadi o cheda ku. The federal prime minister. No go fu ya se wo ko patwa ma de. They are talking about Gopa. Missy economy be 2 years no, and that form. You know, nurses have not been paid, contractors have not been paid, society struggle to survive.
It's a Mexican system, no.
Yes, it's after that, yeah, press can no. I feel the sentence here no. Baby, until I agree. What I say? Now, who got Tony man of the profit to be at the end of the day, long for one to not be blaming why. Otiose, but me see your patron. Mo fan che.
But that's it.
Yes. And now I say just me we you.
Oh, I
okay, meet you.
Yeah, bahano pay. Okay. And I will say your preliminary comments. Your initial preliminary comment say tomato prices have gone down.
I say food stuff.
Oh. You use tomato as an example.
Me boss am.
You play back ana. And now say
play back.
Oh,
I
what was the tomatoes? But 300 Ghana cedis.
From 6,000.
You talk about tomato.
I spoke also about salmon and tuna.
Oh, Agbesi.
Meet you.
Yet me no more here.
Ghana na share.
At the time now, Kasano, na Ghanaian times at the wedding.
Okay.
And we be food prices swing in Accra markets.
Okay.
And I say for paper, ne mame.
Debbie.
Oh.
Now me put a paper in my kind dada.
Who already paper?
My reading paper.
Now reading paper. When who say?
Man, who send your money here? It may come.
I mean, you get what I feel about me and I'm Pacho. Don't go there. Open say have an argument about Baumia. I am ready any day, any time.
Let's do it now.
Anytime.
No, yes, now. Now is the time.
I don't have any problem.
Now is the time. So
I am ready any day,
so
any
start
time.
now.
But college, what
the bad
economy job no. I must can this system.
The cool crash or say I feel near the Ghana water issue no.
Ebe pra. Ebe hro.
Ghana water the stability level na 1,000 something na.
We no need so a address on the
See, the moja
Agbesi. Oh, kasa meteha.
Meet you.
What can we do here?
What's
the Ghana water na eba paper economy? What are they?
No, only address on this one.
What are they? The decriminalization.
Nya kunya ko de. We mean say what na person ko nya kunya ko de. No only a address on.
Edro de. Galam say what are now the paper
economy. We set the economy na we jai. Na enya say na Mexican.
Economy is growing at which rate? Atu Forson was in parliament at 5%. In 2017, they left it at 3%. What are you talking about? Why are you having a debate on the economy, even with all our challenges with COVID? Now, Nadu left the economy growing at 5%. They left it at 3% GDP. What are you talking about? Ready. Me, I'm always ready for this kind of debate. Now, if you can say tomatoes, the papers is disproving what you are saying here. Also, for Baumia. You've changed the tomato discussion now to Baumia and say Baumia Pachao. You've seen say you have failed in your argument. You have just failed in your argument. You were just trying to hoodwink Ghanaians with some hoodoo economics. Saying that tomatoes now sell at 300 Ghana cedis. When the Ghanaian Times is telling you that it is selling at 1,500.
At where?
What are you talking about?
At where?
At where? Okay. What I would say at 300.
Yes.
It's here Accra, Nyanko Kote and Kotomra.
Now, question for me, Ghana for.
Oh, the Minkas are going to Of course, I've never said so.
So?
I've never said so.
Can you?
I've never said so. Wait, me come market to Agoglosi. No. Agoglosi is selling at 1,500. It's selling at 1,500. You are saying 300. The papers have just told you what you are saying is not true.
I have told you.
But I'm telling you, sir.
I've told you, sir. When you hear before tonight, we are late. Messi, Petwe.
Agbesi, me are late.
Okay, let me use that.
I am very, very alert.
Almost say 500. Transportation, they back a price of which I agree with you on that one. But
also you agree, sir, 1,500.
Of course, yes.
Oh, you agree?
No, but I do. I did that earlier on.
You did
because
not.
The trader was telling me,
you did not.
Maybe some papa now didn't
you did not.
You understand me?
It is 5,500.
No. Me say last year, the same time. Now 6,000.
Tie, asma Madam Judith. Tie,
the mother of four.
Tie, Madam Judith shine. I'm giving you as reported by the Ghanaian Times of today. Madam Kwasi says he cannot order Tony just last month. Now he cannot even buy half. This is for Madam Kwasi. That is the reality at Agoglosi. That's a fact. So if you agree, say 1,500, where's the argument now?
No, but you see, where's
the argument?
You see, I'm highly this second, few seconds ago, disappointed the member of parliament.
Oh.
Is that the way he argued in parliament?
I don't have a problem. If you disappointed me.
No, Mimi say.
I don't need you to appreciate my argument.
The farmers are saying
the people watching us
they are selling to the consumers at 300 per crate.
What farmers?
Our petrol agogo there 500. You all saw the video.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Okay.
But when I went to the market at Agbogboshi, now because let me say I'm creating here, and also 1,000, 2,005.
Okay.
Do you understand me?
Okay.
There have been there have been value added.
Okay.
From the cultivator, from the farm to the market.
Okay.
There was some value added in terms of transportation.
Okay.
Do you understand my point? Okay. Now, me can say 1,000, 2,500 is acceptable as at now. But compared to the same time, the same period last year, they're between 6,000 to 8,000. So I will go for the 1,600 if that's the issue. If you know my from as 1,006 against 6,000, call anybody who goes to the market and find out the price of tomatoes the same time last year. He's dodging the issue.
Madam Judith
based on that kind of price increment, it's not about me. I catch the whole world say almost share. I'm born in Germany.
Okay, team, mama, your production team now, you may be
yes
at the background.
Yes.
Very remember the current and prevailing price of tomatoes at agriculture market.
Yes. As also compared to the same period last year. That's the point.
I'm not paying a team in some
David, no, don't do that. We want to know the same quantity, the same price within the same period last year. Yes. Let's compare contrast. Don't dodge it. It's very important.
I'm not paying a price near from agriculture market.
Now, once you are doing the agriculture issue, okay. It's spoken about the water.
I'll pay box and say catch them to publish market. Box near 2,200 Ghana cedis.
Oh, you are?
That is basket, no, a 500 between 500 to 800 Ghana cedis. Depending on maybe out or no. But box, no, a 2,200 cedis from
last year. Last year,
it's by more last year. They say there was August, September. August, September.
Now, the one who you call or who spoke behind, you and I, we saw the video.
Okay.
From Asante, let's use that one. Not a box or somewhere here.
No, say around 500 to.
There was no 502. Be realistic. There was not like 502. He was so explicit. Said 500. No, Munya Tofu. No. Get the story right. Get the story right. Don't mislead your people. Respectfully. Who shared video? Both video. It was the member of parliament for the environment who told you and I. It was our video to say. A crate was explicitly going for 500 Ghana cedis. One got to be a. Let me see.
I'm not pay price this. I'm not paying for
and the pay box near 2,200 Ghana.
So it has even moved from the 1,800 and be reported by the Ghanaian to 2,200. That is the reality on the ground.
Okay. Mami can be sure. Okay. Let me just.
But see, I think we need to look. The farm gate and the market.
Yeah.
A quite bit me for be delay with that in 51 on price now and now it's a move from Agogo at 500 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
Never be drew Accra never 2,200 Ghana cedis. Then we need to question. Dear factors now akumuntia ama price a shooting more than 100%. I think that is where, as our mind, or saying any echo, at least
more than 400%.
So therefore, when your master maker says,
sure,
we have been blessed.
Yeah.
Say they have been bumper harvest. But the point again is that the intermediary, the value that was added from the production to the consumer.
Okay. That's what all else.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly, we have been blessed with rain and having humble harvest.
But so far, I think that you're blessed with rain, and we need to find out. I agree
with you.
For the day, is so and talk.
But this argument you're making does not take away the point. Said the box of tomato asset now is 2,200. That is the point.
Okay. It is what he might not understand the scenario. I as a farmer.
Okay.
Tomatoes, what the time they harvest tomatoes. You understand me? So at the end of the day, maybe they are now replanting.
Okay.
So the price automatically will do what?
Because
but my point is that the same time last year, within the same value. What was the value? The same last year. As at last year.
Okay.
My point is that I'm comparing like 2024 to 2025.
Okay. The same month.
The same month.
With the same quantity of product.
Period of time.
Okay.
From August to October.
Okay.
Check the price. Okay. If all being equal, the next time of my visit, I will make a record of the sellers and I'll come and play it here.
Okay.
And the day I'll get that record, I will inform the producer to inform Honorable to come on this show and we exhibit it.
I'm always ready. I'm always ready.
Okay.
Me just say by that time,
me say,
me start with tomato food.
Aba nkofo tumba no.
Okay.
Ye do mase. Sanhia no e na e wo yeso. I agree. Kotokon si sia de enye.
Skinny was
No, kotokon si sia de enye. But it's better than last year.
Yes.
No, but the fact is that Sisia no, and yeah, Papa,
Skinny was
say, but it's better.
Sikakure ni one.
Maybe
Last
year, then you are
last year, skinny as compared to this
because last year the dollar was going for 18 Ghana cedis.
But
oh, by your mathematics,
but I was never to
farmer.
say because
so ko dwemu a ebi so no mo kan say yes no correct and then ma bo aba form but you need sika dey as compared to last year na na bo dey but ne o sika dey eto so the purchasing power no and aba be challenge
so what dey atum say ni sika ni ho dey atum
last year na sika wo
yes go
but
no ma bo
no actually up yes sir
yes
what kind of economics is that
and this no number from the sika ni ho
it's not true it's not true. One thing Ghana for soon last year say Kuma Edin. One thing now when I was
say my boy Edin.
You see not Kuma Edin. I don't know say
my boy Edin. Say Kuma Edin because na my boy Edin.
A Kuma Edin.
Na my boy Edin.
It's the combination of not having it and not be able to afford it.
Et na your name too. Last year na sikani ni. Na my boy so
Edin.
Okay.
Back Accra. Back Accra.
Okay.
By stabilizing it. But no man no Abba. Because you see, for the first time, you saw entrepreneurs. My baby catcher and say, because of the dollar decline, you know, almost so much you must be
sure.
One thing.
Yeah.
I'm on motor condition. I'm on motor TV.
Yeah.
Who got there was a discount. Do you understand me? So at the end of the day, there is a big relief.
Okay.
Unlike last year, let me see about me the pie. I wonder how much I come. Nyaminti, you know, just no. Like I want to hear one by the Jesse. It's better than a force about tomorrow. I have a pack.
Okay.
Yeah, we are not going to let them down.
But
we are going to deliver. We need their praise and their support. We're going. Yaka Mona say, oh, and Koi. 1 million of it, say, by the grace of God, everything will be okay.
Yeah, me
put it, me Ghanaians or no, or I go Mrs. Kwashi, BBB on 4. Meanwhile, we won't come market.
The state people.
Yeah.
It's a state.
But the one who wrote the story is a woman be like me because that they want shame or John.
And the reporter.
No. The reporter that went to town. The reporter that went to the market.
You are doubting the integrity of the reporter.
You see, I'm not doubting him.
Okay, so there.
It was done at a random.
How?
Because that don't go. Why interview?
Say okay there. There can say what that.
By the time because my mode of operation the market don't me.
Okay, so hey, omo your story do also. Elizabeth Posu.
Any story you say I go go see.
So next time I come from yeah.
Oba mu ton bare no on zone.
Yeah.
On be be o.
Sure.
Pa no wo.
Yeah.
Enti when e be akogina pese form ho anu ho. E interview. I am telling you as it is. At a random. I go show unu be am ton watermelon. Watermelon base unu mo. Thank you. So, see, I know that terrain by the kind courtesy of my wife.
Okay.
What I say? Meaning,
I was
because you see, I'm not make I hand over baton and make
okay, but
I'm good at it. But the point again is that to the glory of Almighty God, no, a chrono, I mean, sent to a RGB.